If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to never miss any update from our channel.
Hello guys, welcome to Gadget Bars, and as promised I'm again back with a new ROM video. This is the AEX ROM for the Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime. This time this ROM has so many tweaks that you can customize every single part of it. It's just like a Resurrection Remix ROM. And let me just show you the home screen. This is the home screen which you are seeing right now, and this is the notification. There are so many tools, you can see. It would take us the video will become so too long to explain all these tweaks. So let me just quickly dive into the settings and show you what are the commands. It's running on the Android version 8.1.0, as you can see. The ROM name is AOSP Extended ROM, and other than that everything is working fine till right now. I'm not facing any issues. The Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything is working, and even the camera is also working fine. No issues with that, with flash. And other than that, I have issue with this ROM. It's the battery life. The battery life is not too good, and this ROM, just like the .os, because it takes too much of the battery drain is too much in this ROM. Other than this, this ROM is too good, I would say. You can install it and test it out how it works. And there are a few things which you can customize, like let me just show you. Here is extensions. You can extend your this one. You can customize the status bar, notification pattern, navigation. You can customize everything. Like if you go to notification, there are tons of settings here. I would suggest you not to mess with these things. And this is the notifications, and like there are so many there. And this is the navigation. You can enable it or disable it. Currently now it's and I have enabled it, or you can also enable the edge gestures. And yeah, everything is working fine right now, but I have not faced any issues. The only issue which I have faced is the battery drain issue. The battery drain is too much, I would say. Like it's not like a .os, and the battery drain is too much in here. So yeah, you can test it out. I will give the links in the description box below, where you can test the ROM out. And other than that, the ROM is pretty fine and good. There is no UI lag or anything. So yeah, so that's it for the video, guys. Hope you like it, and do subscribe to our channel. And next video will be coming up, will be the Android Pie video for the Galaxy Grand Prime. So thanks for watching. Thank you.